Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. In this video, we are going to learn JUnit. So the very first thing is introduction of JUnit. So JUnit is a unit testing framework. Now as it is unit testing framework, the very first thing we need to know is what is testing. So the testing is process of ensuring that the functionality of your application meets the user requirement. It means whenever any client is giving you any product or software to develop, you need to check whether it is being developed according to the given requirement or not. So that is testing. Now testing comes with the different levels. So the very first level is unit testing. So what is unit testing? Unit testing is a process in which smallest independent module is tested to meet the user requirement. It is often done manually and it can be done using automation tools also. So need to know the unit testing, we need to check what is manual testing and automation testing. So here is the difference of manual testing and automation testing. Manual testing is done manually by the person or the tester. So the very first difference is that in manual testing you are executing the test case manually. So each person or each tester is entering data manually and verifying the results manually. In automation testing, we are taking tool supports to execute the test cases. It means we are writing some codes or some programs using any automation tools like Selenium or JUnit, and then we are executing test automatically. The second difference is manual testing is a time consuming process and it is a tedious process. As every human or every tester is doing it manually, we need more time to execute the test case, while in automation testing we are writing code which will be executed automatically. So it will be taking less amount of seconds to execute it and verifying the results. So the automation testing is fast. The third difference is in manual testing you will be having huge investment of human resources. As humans or persons are occupied to enter data manually and do testing manually, you will be needing more amount of humans. And in automation testing, you will be having less investment of human resources. Manual testing is less reliable as human also tends to make some errors. So that's why it is less reliable. In automation testing, once you write the code, the machine will do so it is more reliable. In manual testing, you are doing no programming or no coding, so it is not programmable, while in automation testing, you are doing some program or some logic, so it is programmable. So this is the difference between manual testing and automation testing. So for automation testing, we will see what is JUnit. What is JUnit? JUnit is a unit testing framework using Java programming. Now the full form of JUnit is Java Unit. So you are actually doing unit testing with the help of Java language. It follows a test a little and code a little approach. So we need to understand what is test a little, code a little approach. So whenever developer develops any program or any application, it will develop a sample of code first, and then he or she will test whether the sample of code is working fine or not. After testing it that it is working fine, again he or she will develop another part of code and again he or she will test the same. So in this test a little, code a little approach, each portion of program is tested whether it works fine or not. So using this approach, JUnit does the unit testing which increases the stability of code. So this is the introduction of JUnit. In next session, we will going to learn the features of JUnit. Thank you.